Ladies and gentlemen, we managed to remove the old one. We were struggling a little bit. As you see, some of the screws didn't come out. We had to cut from the top to get it off. That's a piece from the worktop to remove. These few hoses from the shop we bought to fit. That's all the stuff we had, so we managed to get our U straight and just reverse this one. This one, the height was different when we put the new one. So what we did, we just reversed this one. This one was this side, so the distance. So we reverse it, cut the piece off. This is for washing machine, and as you see the hoses, you just cut the pipe off. Sorry, yeah, that's it. Let's bring this one down. You can see better. Hot water, cold water. We just cut the pipe off straight from the tap, the top, coming in. So we managed to finish this one. It took us a few hours. You just do the puzzle, which one fit, get rid of few extra stuff we had. This one was blocked before, it was somewhere in the middle, the height, so we managed somehow to find the piece here. We had this piece there too. We got rid of most of them, and that's the best one we could find. Clean all the pipes, inside, outside. A little bit silicone in the back before we fit, so it doesn't leak. There's no leakage. So we managed to change this one. That one was, we bought it from eBay for £1, so it didn't cost that much. The tap, again, we bought it online. It's beautiful mixer. This one was, I think, 15-20 quid. So job done. So you look after yourself till next video. Bye.